because it's like a cute little bob. I don't know, you know, when we wear them bobs, we just want to bob it. But yeah, you
everything I do hits the roof. My city's on the moon. Fuck a tube, no cap, I'm Audi.
Hola chicas y chicos, welcome to my channel. So this video is brought to you guys by Sensational. Shout out to Sensational for picking up this unit for me. This is of course a Sensational unit in the style Akeeva. It's in the Shear Muse collection, and I got her in the color baby blue. So this is the wig. It's a very short bob, baby blue. The construction of the cap is ear lace with about 5 inches of parting space, 2 combs right by the part, a comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. So if you guys are interested to see how she looks for me and how I style her, go ahead and keep watching. I will leave the chapters of me styling her, then my final thoughts and looks. So if you guys just want to skip forward to your favorite part, go ahead and do that. So yeah, you guys, I'm a little concerned about it because it's very short and it's like a different color. But let's see how she looks on me. So you guys, this is my finished look for Miss Akeeva, and it's cute. Like, I wouldn't have picked this bob or this color just because of the length. It's like a little short, so yeah, but I think it turned out really cute. It's definitely a very cute unit. I did go ahead and cut some of some sideburn baby hairs to try to cover my own, because I just couldn't tuck them away once I had laid the top. Like, I was trying to like push them back in, so I'm like, let me just try to cover them with like some sideburns here. So yeah, but besides that, I think this is a very cute unit, you guys. You guys want to see the back? Sorry for my squeaky stool. It's gonna squeak. And again, my baby hair is on the back, but Like if I were to wear her out, I would do a better job of hiding these in the back. Very cute. So this is again the Shear Muse collection, and it's the style Akeeva. I got her in the color baby blue. It comes with HD lace, premium fiber hair, ear to ear lace with the baby hair. I feel like there isn't a lot of much room to pluck on this one because it's like probably like right there, but I guess it's workable. Like so for those ladies that like to go in and make the what is this called, the hairline look better, this is probably not a unit to do that with because it doesn't have much lace in the front to work with. And this is what it's looking like for me. So I mean, it works for me, but I know there's some people out there that want to give a better illusion, so I'm just letting you guys know. The color is beautiful. To be honest, this isn't a style for me, so I don't know if I would wear this out unless like I have some type of like costume or something to wear with this one. But it's definitely cute. It does come with all the other, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Shear Muse, but they do have a bunch of other cute pop bold colors. I have tried their royal blue and the La Shine, and that one was a really cute one. And of course I just really like this color because blue is my favorite color. But yeah, besides that, I don't know what you guys think. Let me know down in the description, in the comment box, what you guys think about this unit, y'all. It's cute. It's cute. I guess this one in a black would be cute because it's like a cute little bob. I don't know. You know, when we wear them bobs, we just want to bob it. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think of this unit in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Show me some love, you guys, so YouTube can show me some love back. So yeah, guys, it's Grifa Beauty. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Do you love me? Do you need me?